Welcome to the third week of my 100,000 FTMO challenge. In this video, I'll share my weekly plan and results. No BS, let's go. This week, all pairs except GJ look good. Gold broke the daily and H4 uptrend last week, closing below a major support with mostly bearish candles. On H4, price is now trending down with clean structure, so I'll expect a retest of the previous support before it dropped to the next major level. GU remains in an overall uptrend, making a new daily high with strong momentum and fully breaking a daily resistance. On H4, I'll look for a break and retest buy around the key area, or a break and continuation buy if momentum stays strong. However, if price closes back below the previous resistance, I won't consider any buys. UJ is ranging on the daily and trending down on H4. Price formed a strong rejection at the daily resistance last week, confirming the top of this range. On H4, I'll look to sell toward the major support if a good risk to reward is available. Although GJ is trending up on both the daily and H4, it's approaching a weekly resistance where a big rejection is possible. I'll skip this pair unless price pulls back to create more bullish room. Gold climbed back above the H4 support, breaking the downtrend before moving into consolidation. I stepped away midweek because no clear trend was forming, and that's the enemy of my trend following system, so no trades. GU pulled back to the key zone, but bearish momentum was still strong. I took a break and continuation buy after price broke the trend line and closed above the last lower high. On M15, I skipped the first entry because price was tightening and bullish momentum looked weak. The second entry was cleaner with a clear retest and rejection. Execution, 5 out of 5. UJ dropped to the previous H4 support, then started a new uptrend. I missed a profitable trade earlier and took a buy this week. The missed trade was a textbook break and continuation setup with a M15 trend shift and clean range break. I skipped it because I lost a similar sell last week, but in hindsight, they were different setups with different price action. If they appeared on different pairs, I would have taken both. Definitely a good lesson. On Friday, I took a break and retest buy. I got a better risk reward because I missed the original entry, the H1 bullish engulfing candle marked by the green arrow. Let's see how it plays out next week. GJ bounced off the trend line again, which I didn't expect. I wasn't looking to buy there since it's been tested several times already. No trades on GJ this week. This week, I stuck to my plan and learned an important lesson. Treat every setup individually and take it only if conditions are met. No trade should influence the next one. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and see you next time.